Nick Dave has made a video about how to earn $3,000 per week copy pasting these emails free affiliate marketing bot. The video was published 24 hours ago and has got around 3,000 views and a lot of likes. So apparently, it seems to be a perfect model for everyone who wants to make money online. I have watched the full video, every single step, and I'm here to tell you whether this method actually works or not. I will expose to you how Nick makes money, whether this video will actually make you money or not, or it's just a pure entertainment and simply a waste of time, or whether this video is part of a bigger plan to squeeze out more money out of your pocket. But before we talk about Nick and his method, I need to be transparent and totally honest with you. We make money using videos. But for more and clear transparency, we run 20 plus channels across YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. But since making videos using cameras and microphones is not a scalable process, we built our own artificial intelligent video creation software Epic.ai that makes the videos for us using image, texts, and links without using cameras and microphones. Epic writes the scripts for us using AI, turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover, make bite-sized videos, and compile those bite-sized videos into one long videos of any size we want. And Epic turns any text into video. Epic.ai is free to start, link is in the description. I will tell you more about Epic.ai in the later part of the video, but before that, I just needed to tell you freely and transparently how we make money online, because this is an important part of the story I'm about to tell you. And now that we are transparent about how we make money using videos, here is a quick glimpse of how much money we make. Well, the money looks really good, but there is one control point which is very important, and this control point controls how much money we make. And this is extremely relevant to this video, and I'm about to reveal this secret control point in a moment, because without knowing about this control point, you literally won't be able to make money online. Okay, back to Nick's video. In a nutshell, you'll go to Google and search for businesses in your local area or city, or literally anywhere you want, and find whether they have websites or not, and then check whether their websites are ranking on top of Google or not. You will select the websites that are on second, third, or fourth page of Google, literally getting no traffic from Google, and send them an email saying, hey, your website is not ranking on Google, and due to that you are losing traffic and sales. And then you tell them, we can help you. We have helped hundreds of businesses. It's really easy and you can do it yourself as well. Click our link to learn more. That's basically the simple email you will be sending to businesses that's websites are not ranking on top of Google. And in your email, you will embed your affiliate link of a famous search engine optimization tool, SEMrush. To know more about their affiliate program, go to semrush.com. Go to the bottom of the page and click affiliate program, and you will see they pay $200 for every new subscription sale, $10 for every new trial, and 1 cent for just new sign. Now this sounds legit and easy, but does it really work? Doesn't it sound too good to be true? We'll find out in a moment. Don't go anywhere, because there is one missing piece of the puzzle, and without this piece of the puzzle you will probably fail in this method. But before we go to the missing piece of the puzzle, I want to thank Dave for showing me this website. It's called howtostartanllc.com, and then go to small-business-ideas-list, and you will find a list of 800 small business ideas. This is important because most of us don't have any idea about what kind of businesses we have in our locality. 800 types of businesses. So you can simply copy any of this business type, and on Google you will search with business type and your city and search. You will get hundreds of thousands of leads to contact. But there is another information you need, and that is a tool that will help you get detailed information of the businesses, like the emails, phone numbers, addresses, and these all can be done using a tool called Gmaps Extractor. Thanks to Nick for showing this tool. This tool looks really cool. You see, just search and you will get all the information, and you can download all the information in spreadsheet. But there is a problem. This tool is not free. It's actually really expensive, $29 per month to $89 per month. But don't worry about it. We built a better tool than this. It's called Leader. I will drop a link in the description. You can start for free and you can do much more than this application. All this look pretty fine and streamlined, except the piece of the puzzle I was hiding from my income screenshot. And without having full control on this, you are not going to make any money online, especially using this method. And unfortunately, Nick did not cover this piece of the puzzle in his video. And it's because he's selling this method as an online course in a link in his video. This is how the course looks like, and it costs you $497. And that little piece of the puzzle is called hops or traffic. The more traffic you get, the more money you make. This is why we make videos. Nick makes videos, and with our videos, we get views. With our content, we attract more viewers. All the viewers like our content, they click our links, they buy from us, and we make money. Without these hops, clicks, or traffic, nobody makes any money online. Now you might be asking, how is this related to this method? Because in this method, in Nick's method, you make money from affiliate sales, from SEMrush, and this is what Nick didn't cover. In order to become an affiliate of SEMrush, you need to click this button, Join Now. Then you will be taken to this page where you will have to fill in this application. No problem with that. But the problem is they have clearly mentioned on top of this page that to apply, you must have a website or social media page with at least 1,000 traffic or followers. Write about or promote digital marketing, SEO, content marketing, competitor research, PPC, social media marketing. And you regularly update your blog 1 to 3 times per week. And here is the biggest kicker. Not promote with email strategy only. In Nick's video, he mentioned only email promotions, which is not acceptable to SEMrush, and they will not approve you. So yes, $3,000 per week is absolutely possible by making only 15 new subscription sale of SEMrush. But you have to start with having traffic or followers on your YouTube or social media channels, or you need a website with at least 1,000 traffic or followers. And this is why we make videos. And if you make videos using epic.ai, you will not need camera or microphone. You can make videos using image and text and links. You can make bite-sized video. You can save your work in the cloud, come back later, complete your video. Your scripts will be written using artificial intelligence, and epic.ai will turn your script into natural sounding voiceover. Make bite-sized videos, turn texts into video. Then you can download those videos, upload them on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and run 20 or more channels like us, get traffic like us, and make money just like us. And when you have traffic, Nick's method will work for you perfectly, and you will be able to make money online from anywhere you want. Epic.ai and other important tools, including Leader application, is in the description. They are all free to start. Go grab them. We use our own artificial intelligence software. It's called Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes the script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open, and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds, on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome. Or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20 plus channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. This way, not only you learn how to make money online, you will help others learn how to make money online. This way, they will become your friends, followers, and fans. They will love you, follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.